If you feel that strain and pain in your lower back, your misery is in good company.
Are you looking for the best acupressure mat? I found best acupressure mat. Features: relaxation and massage. The plastic nails provide you a king of acupressure experience. Activates your nerve system. Bring you into deep relaxation during the natural healing process. It can promote blood circulation, relieve pain, stress, and fatigue, and help to improve sleep quality. Lightweight and portable for easy storage and travel. Helps you keep in fit in any spare time. Specifications. Item: acupressure massage pillow or mat. Material: PVC plastic, cotton fabric. User: provide acupressure massage for all age group. Color: purple, blue, green. Acupressure mat 7,192 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching video.